the world becomes increasingly focused on sustainability and energy efficiency, more people are considering the benefits of owning a green home. A green home is designed and built to be environmentally friendly and energy efficient, offering a range of benefits for homeowners, like lower energy bills. One of the main advantages of a green home is the potential for a lower energy bill. Green homes are designed to use less energy, which can result in significant savings on your monthly energy costs. Green homes often have features such as energy efficient windows and high quality insulation, which can help improve indoor air quality. This can be especially beneficial for those with allergies or respiratory issues. Increased home value. In many cases, green homes are more valuable than traditional homes. They are in high demand and are often built with high quality materials that are designed to last longer. Reduced environmental impact. By using fewer natural resources and producing less waste, green homes have a smaller environmental impact compared to traditional homes. This can include things like using recycled materials in construction and installing energy efficient appliances. Tax incentive. In some cases, owning a green home may qualify you for tax incentives or credits. These incentives can vary by location and are often offered to encourage the construction and use of energy efficient homes. Green homes are often designed to be more comfortable and energy efficient, with features such as high quality insulation and energy efficient windows. This can lead to a more comfortable living environment all year round. If you're considering buying a green home, it's important to do your research and find a home that meets your needs and budget. With the numerous benefits and long-term savings potential, owning a green home can be a smart and rewarding investment.